you again on a Saturday night. Hey folks, I'm actually done with this new song, which was requested by my friend Sarah Quick. And I'm sorry it took me a little bit of time to get to it, but we got a lot of work nowadays, and yeah, so. And I want to start tempering with a little studio that I'm starting to put together with Linux software. And well, I've got a drum machine, virtual drum machine, and you know, I can register Merlin tracks. So we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll do a studio something, and you know, record some tracks, so you know, to get some fun. So let's go with the chord progression basically. So T.Rex. So basically it's an A. So A, and then I put the finger on the second fret, 3 and 4. So then I go D. Go back to A. E. On a Saturday night. So it's basically the idea is A, first string, first fret, 3 and 4, first fret, and then alternatively you put 3 and 4 on the second fret. Then you go with a D. So that's on the second fret, 3 and 4. And then on the second fret, on the third fret, 3 and 4. Then A again. Then E. E is you pinch all the strings on the first fret, and then you use 3 and 4 on the second fret as well. On a Saturday night. So that's it for the chords and everything. So I hope you have fun with this. It's pretty fun actually. You know, I boosted it on my little amp, and yeah, it was a little bit of fun. I tried to find a sound that would go with that, and 57 something actually seemed to do the trick. So it's Max Leblanc here saying ciao for now.